Traders, welcome back. Today we are back on USDJPY, and if you missed our previous analysis, make sure you check the video on this channel because the market is still respecting the exact structure we highlighted before. As we discussed in our previous breakdown, the key resistance level around 158 was successfully broken and flipped into support. I made it very clear that this flip support zone would become our major decision level for the next move on USDJPY. What I said previously was very simple and straightforward. If price comes back and respects this flip support level around 158 with a strong bullish candlestick confirmation, then we are going to look for a continuation buy setup targeting the upside around $160. But if price fails to hold the level and breaks below it, then the structure changes and we wait for a proper retest to look for a continuation sell setup towards $155. Now let's talk about what is happening in the market right now. Price still has not fully returned to retest this flipped support level around 158, which means the level remains fresh, untouched, and highly respected by the market. That is why this zone is still our most important key level to monitor for the next trading opportunity. So right now, the $158 flipped support level remains our main key level to watch. Here is exactly what I am waiting for. If price comes back down to this support level around 158 and respects it with a strong bullish candlestick confirmation, then we are going to look for another continuation buy setup targeting the upside around $160. As long as buyers continue defending this zone, the bullish market structure remains valid and momentum can continue pushing higher. However, traders must stay flexible because market conditions can shift quickly. If price fails to respect this support level and instead breaks below it, then the structure flips once again. In that case, the level changes from support back into resistance. We would then wait for a proper retest of the broken level. And if sellers step in with confirmation, we will look for a continuation sell setup targeting the downside around $155. Another important thing traders should pay close attention to is momentum behavior as price approaches this support zone. If bearish momentum starts slowing down and rejection candles begin forming around the level, that could be an early sign that buyers are preparing to defend the market again. But if strong bearish pressure enters aggressively, then the risk of a breakdown becomes much higher. So to summarize everything clearly, the flip support level around 158 remains our main key level to watch on USDJPY. The level is still fresh, valid, and untouched by the market. If buyers defend it, we look for a continuation buy towards $160. But if the level breaks, we wait for a retest and then look for a continuation sell move towards $155. Traders, USDJPY is approaching a major decision point right now. Do you think buyers will continue the bullish momentum or are sellers preparing for another reversal? All right, traders, that is all we have on USDJPY for today. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and always wait for confirmation before entering the market. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.